Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5109 County Road 36 on beautiful Honeoye Lake.
This is a spectacular Honeoye Lake dream home with 50 feet of pristine lakefront.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is phenomenal open waterfront living with breathtaking views everywhere you look in this totally updated lakefront home. Featuring a designer kitchen with gorgeous cabinetry, suede granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, an office and pantry area, plus beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to the great room with a rustic stone accent wall, a living and dining area, and deck access with a sliding glass door. All with glass French doors open to the hallmark of this home, a waterfront view sunroom with those beautiful hardwood floors and the most unbelievable scenic views. Enjoy the ease and convenience of one-floor living with a first-floor primary bedroom with beautiful hardwood floors, an adjacent updated full bathroom, and storage room. The character and charm continues upstairs, with two spacious bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors, convenient laundry, and balcony access. An office area or potential fourth bedroom with exposed brick and deck access, plus the ultimate spa bathroom perfect for relaxing after long days on the lake, and then retreat to the ultimate private balcony with panoramic views.
Enjoy the lake lifestyle with this entertainment-sized wraparound deck with multiple seating areas with panoramic lake views, complemented with exquisite landscaping. This property has been totally updated with low-maintenance vinyl siding, windows, and doors, plus convenient mini-split system for high-efficiency heating and cooling. The quality craftsmanship is evident in the details. Plus, it has exceptional storage with 2 detached garages, enough for 4 vehicles. The stone beach area and dock is great for all your waterfront activities. The fun never stops on the lake. This rare property has million-dollar views, or should I say billion-dollar views, to the north, east, and south. This home is located on the west side of Honeoye Lake, a great place to live, known for great fishing, boating, and waterfront activities. Enjoy lake access at nearby beautiful Sandy Bottom Park. Nearby this property is the quaint hamlet of Honeoye with summertime concerts and is just 16 miles from Canandaigua and the rest of the Finger Lakes region. Here we are at Hunt Hollow Ski Club. What a great place to ski! Just minutes away from Honeoye Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5109 County Road 36 on gorgeous Honeoye Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!